Makwaba eba Tabia TV so dialogue dwumadi ena wasangu so anasa wogu so a wo hwe na eba wonchen ukuada ne fiada nwumre na nwotwe ena yede dwumadi eba wonchen eye nkomodie ne nkonyesie ene ne mpanyimfo akukuda ma wo ne ka bi wom ewa mamuo ene ne kyekire ho ne no muhia na yetoato adwene fa kwan pa befa so ebeboa man Ghana enso atimi akonanim ene yeba Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly na ye ne presiding member abedin koma we ne director so mienu a ye ne hia ewe dwumadi so na issues a ene behwe no yatete bi ewon from em say KMA omo the common fund etuada judgment debt afi yabeto ya say nhye so MP ono so the common fund abobesia ni nyina be deja ewo ememu eno da nchen a challenge bi ekoso major cities challenge enyantie say the whole world cities are almost competing KMA ena Ghana ha ye select ye eno so issue behwe ena afens no the influx of foreigners amo beggars and amo sresenema kwan ho city no na say KMA then na omo ye ede afa we ni issues are ene ye ne presiding member ebedi ho komo the dialogue media so be ko Facebook, YouTube, Instagram any all social media networks no search for Tabia TV like pages no share na onua enya bi enhwe me guest ende Honorable Stephen Ofori Amakom Assemblyman or sounds like Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly presiding member and I'm nene ebedin komamidin the kwabena Martin Adom hwa me ho ba ebe hye enkomonas
we nye nkramofo asori demo a high KG class o say mofra no woro mpabo ate se de yenuanom nkramofo efri nyame ene say otete kete so nti kete na otete so no say mpabo an hye won sa na ombe kete no su finti ebe mo ye mo ro mpabo no ababa betina kete no eso na wodi asua de we future leaders so ye future leaders no se ne kan na ban ne ye na afam de na nso so no ye sahia emwa pa
obi a wote a wosua de ekoyima
baby amiti siade enkoyi metra eya ble yenye baby in Facebook suntontre afesi yetitin yana aboso yenya hwa ye de enema petoto so ye besko ne ye joint ye be ba betina so
nti obi ehwe na obi hwe ade na pese o ka kire abanfo a mo hwe yen sabre
Eslo momo no mayen kunya yeni kunya ne ntina so ne ntimi nsayo
ade na wote from na wosua de books wen
Tumbusini Jaiba school yeni mama musini skambato nkunya ma yesi ba school nkunya biania ana de wanse betena famsa de bom ya bom pa ta ma chise munye ske biada ato nkunya ni biada bla ma yesi ade akuyani
oba school awoni je
maninje se yetena fam
Ediebe kurane be rasimwe na be kurane ni peni ya utoi yare kwane kumyai.
And now, my dear listeners, before I sign out, I would like to introduce to you Tabia Herbal Mixture, a great and effective herbal medicine for malaria, loss of appetite, and general body pains. Tabia, a fact I can personally attest to.
Tabia Herbal Mixture.
Ansa na wobenom Tabia Herbal Mixture. Shisho moje mu hunu se wanya chidi yare nu bi ansa. FDA ahwehwe sa ejwadi nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
Everyone for every sign ama wakwaba na emphasize dan be ema Tabia Herbal product ena face no beauty 360 omo ena ekress na dwumade ye de ebrewo me guest I ready eno ntimi ma na kwaba na ye nhye nkoma na sɛ no bo makwaba
yes monia
na apom ti sɛn
oh therefore that chain
the jamiase KMA presiding member is one of the busiest office pa na obetre
arguably is the biggest assembly.
Okay.
It's not arguably club because it consists of 5 constituencies.
Okay.
And I think Accra is 3.
3. So
KMA somehow is the biggest assembly we have in Ghana.
And
the bigger the size, the bigger the higher the problem.
Okay. Now, the name of question okay me.
No man, send there be challenges there review.
Okay.
As they come, now so
yeah, now so
what's this you
wow.
Normal life now they
but my me some more about some say last year no din come up more kwan bia na enye ho say the last time I fa ho no why na kama amakum school ho asem na make
exactly they say amakum electoral Midbank say a road network is about 98% asphalt valley.
Oh, okay.
And you know,
okay.
But it must in general, we are looking at the next 3-4 years. I'm talking about
Greater Kumasi.
Not Greater Kumasi. Kumasi Metro.
Kumasi Metro. Okay.
We are good about 90% of road network in Nano will be completed.
Yes. I think that Bantama last week. I think I was impressed.
Yeah, from Menchia North, Menchia South, Amunjo, those that is in Shaiso.
Yeah.
All in our roads are under construction.
Okay.
Kakra, you should say,
okay. Young Koyen, you can share the issue of Honorable Kennedy Kankam. Allegations are up, say, a common fund, as or did Juma on a constituency. Or the Akudi Jumani Council or the issue on Kazasani City.
Ghana, Omani Umuno, Nipa, and Nipanta and Nini.
Okay.
Say, a Jumapia will be an Amobio to be an Radamo, a local government. Namrano, and as our auditors, so Ominati was a brown, or Moshe say, Yadimrano, a Yajumana.
Okay.
Iti brebia no auditors ne ba na ode nkrata ne kugu ha e fra de be management letter o mo hwem nkrata na me yom tika say ade we ni no e mu na ho ma e bia
munchirim okay
enti no eno na oji wi a o chire bi na say sabi anto so na afi wa preshi regulation
okay
na o so chigo ha ya de ma
okay
ade e ka ho asemi e ka confidential document
in Piabonte
and it's a Piabonte. It's a management letter.
Okay. A trouble came.
Auditors no. Ebe yo ehwebunu wi a.
Yeah.
Omo Democrat de go wi a. Omo de Sakrata na brew.
Okay.
Say we no. Mama ye ho.
Mwaye.
NTBD management sema until management respond to that one. And it's a timibudi
Abonte.
It's not official document.
Okay.
And as to how it got there,
then I don't say another issue.
And the proposal in Sakayano. Tribuna or the and also another subject matter to discuss one day.
Okay.
And you know, in the normal sense, no, we should have been discussing this one on this platform.
Okay.
But for the sake of clarity and intermedia.
Okay.
And it's saying, can come in that, you know, that was the comment we made.
Yeah, the headlines.
It's totally ridiculous and unacceptable. So what I said.
Okay.
Say unia wajuma kura mo yi. Wajuma panye ni betime asoma mo. E discover asoma mo de akudi juma.
Yeah.
Oba na auditors be kusi bisam na mo discuss bi akwa bia empo wan hye mata mo fanya. De oba yan say obekuri mu say.
Yeah.
Sika we ya ebedi mu nsem.
Bodi mo de ya de.
Na de ye. Na wonchire mu no a kire say wafom kwan anase.
Na wonfumi.
Na wajuma panye ka say asuma se me discover man na so fanya ba so de e wa no bi asum de wonam bi ready say e bi odi kwa kudisika e bi ne
de Kennedy Kankam de
se pepe ni common fund.
Okay.
And common fund no guidelines da ho ade a betimi disika na ye ene de wontimi enfanya se wo de mo bi loan is permissible and na ma kwan.
Okay.
They say loan they have to repay the money.
The money.
Sape pena kada kama yesa odi manus na yesa deal na yesa skano
o saje ne ba
the brain of this kana ma loan wie no and e ko ba say covid time no mu ne amochire ne ade no and no ansa chiro bra say me say wo hwe situation na e wum sisi dia obesele say yensa na ne request ne nya no startup funds.
Okay.
Not
just a free loan. Startup fund.
Not just a question. Nipa no makwa honhye mu no this eska no. So much kakra mo so e dey twetwe.
Okay.
Which the law also permits that. asa letter be di ensem be bro be busumi ensia ko na fi na me hunu ba bia baby beti ba ira hu mama all of a sudden
sa issue yeah
it be your headline say embezzle that's ridiculous who said it to be na nipa bi what build the repetition to a certain level mind you I'm not holding brief for Canada can come when you madam bet the truth must be told and the person no the didiwa anyo de no
enfende yon
ada na nti kayama kwankwa ma onyia no wie ana assembly no enyo no po na so yia no assembly no ti assembly di ya no wie say oh say ni na oye ye ti yesu age atum ya approve say ya ma no kwan ya onu kan kam kra de wo mam na but my period is an that to front page say one bezel it's quite ridiculous I must be frank with you
in honorable letter no buy no KMA are responding
your response to the question is it was a management letter and it's a private we should have it as privacy at that point a major public document that we should be discussing it and the response I came in mind is letter now so a management letter which KMA has to respond to it what I say and it's a practice that has been in existence over the years assembly bia na say abanjuma bia wodi abansika ya adwuma bia saa na ye no say bibi na auditor sentia say ye ma oklata ma wi ano and the first time I say be crazy na be it has been the practice over the years and as to speak when I say assembly is organized about 95% they are having those documents to respond to and you know if not for mischief and I say a notorious motive somebody have minim at the property eventually Mayor Boko out I can think come has done nothing wrong they declared him I'm saying myself newspaper publication because malicious and capricious and yeah ideas is what I say because as anana a court areas Libya say a pan senya sampa nipa do say
e guna ni mase
and gwasi bia no wache e yomo baje di kura say oh boa e ba yenti no maheda e bibe ana ya massage no people will start to believe all what they want to believe and in this station the perceptions and notions about corruption is so high that the nyaka se bibia for ansama o pekro ko free Jesus Christ be there dance
obi anje ndi bi
amafo nyi ndi bi no wase nipa no sabe what the number and it's quite unfortunate to me and I don't know how that document and I'm sure it never came from our end
could be
auditor general the free bar continue
then even massa document which may leak at this material moment because in him say Honorable Kennedy can come or more ask for KMA mayor or come.
That makes me to believe that there's a notorious motive behind it. Say they do that the prisoner. Some people will go to every length to bring you down, and I'm sure it's one of those things. That's my belief.
Okay. Now, my personal beliefs about what expectations from who becomes the next mayor, but we have a Bomuno. Is he a very strong candidate? Assembly, no. He has been a member of parliament. More than I area and I say Kumasi Apen. Will you consider him for that position?
Many me adia mesiso anase mabrabo mina metiere se menyina baabi emfama dwene susu nipa bi de obeti maya na wonti nyada. It's up to you to prove to me. I'm always fair to everybody. Nipa bi ameno nam bia se nipa nyina mpo se we say ya me de minim. Who prove which them say samba
and to say will be
and to say be huno I don't want to believe it. Because you might have the worst of characters out there, but to you, with my the best of character. In human life, that's how it is. It's not always a straight jacket. Sometimes, we know being different from one other. And you know, he might have, and mind you, say, Nipa no grounds or over to no Nipa now or condemn no, inform provoking Nipa no, you will not have the full facts. No, I condemn the panel. What you say, no, I count on the side of it, no. Ashe.
And
to be piano, The president nobody say as soon as I don't think I'll have a problem with that person.
Okay.
Said the president name team or poor man in camp or not my the permanent was in our office way. That means maybe be with him. They have to say yes or no. You better okay. Largely on taking decisions for us. Yeah, the resolution.
Okay.
Manager team P.
Okay. Okay. So Kennedy can come issue by from West Planations. I don't. The main say one set example. Emrano maho kwan say common fund it made mabusia, and then ahochira bank wasanso trolley tebre assembly no say yenye startup fund emfama edwadi no. This is what that is what
exactly the point. Okay. That paper no.
Okay. And later now they buy no the assembly respond.
It's not up to respond. It's up to BACT. And letter will respond to. You are acting on it.
Okay.
So what I say?
Okay.
So anyone that decide man.
Yeah.
On the member of parliament.
Yeah.
And the second.
And the common
fund. On the decision no. I want them.
Okay.
And one day no answer inform me say at this point ten ambassador there no.
Okay.
What I say?
In the common fund, does the assembly have a say in the use of common fund?
They say answer any no very this kind of man no. Na the crowd dey no edabra kwan. You to be a one.
Okay.
That's what I say.
Okay.
So we are MP. Also, person this is Kakwaya DV. Now you have a book near me say I didn't know this kind of question. So no question. Emrama Hokwai. And no epima yenia asibia ekabi.
Oh, okay.
That's the law.
Okay. All right. It was for your Honorable Stephen Ofori or Assemblyman Elma Amakum electoral area, Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, and as a presiding member. Odini Juma Enyasen Kitwana Yeneno Edin come for issues by say in shares of former member of parliament Honorable Kennedy can come. I will aspire for KMA mayor or in the common fund. I did maybe say or the Tajina indicting on name the assembly brain one way and or their mana issue I sounds of Befesiano. The issue of Kumasi mayor paying judgment debts with common fund. Honorable, sir, in common, a moon some such say, no cress the common fund here.
Millions initial, let me say this subject matter he discussed about shouldn't have.
Yeah.
Because you may be our share and then
okay.
A management letter should be kept as confidential
document
until whatever is in there prove otherwise.
Okay.
So you are prejudicing the whole thing. So
yeah.
I said court. Now we take a decision. DBC will talk.
Yeah.
Not as a word
court name.
And run my
okay.
The auditors know more boundaries on what they do. More fundings or response and not bomb to completion. And to the only answer or much was there. If he said it's up to the mayor and the administration to respond.
Okay.
And to respond, I say auditors if he said they'll be and then the points they will come out. Or they will keep it. I'm going to publish I'm not say Yoko, more for don't go in there. Companies will be I don't bow out. So what I say. So let's not jump the gun.
Okay.
Young Fanto. Mayor administration respond to me. And because the first time every now and then management letters they buy every day.
Okay.
And you know, as a bar public, you know, I am on for you more. Hey, bizarre. I've been millions out there responding to the same documents.
Okay.
That's what I say.
Okay.
Now they much more keeping confidential. You know, and as a VC, you know, just input this of a cockroach. We shouldn't be discussing it for now.
Yeah.
And Chairman response me a part of audit committee.
Okay.
Babia as a presiding member. And some of us will be on copies. So what I say. Found this auditors in a fana in I have most of them on my table.
Okay.
And you know they allow me no grano. I should be the one to take it up.
Okay.
That is the law.
Okay.
What is that in Ethiopia, head of department or official? I should be the one to bring it to the known to the members of the assembly for the person to be reprimanded.
Okay.
And say, men are pushing it under the carpet. No, make me much money say, we share audit report to us, I have to prompt the members and whatever actions needed, we
Okay. KMA yes judgment that bunkam so.
Okay. Na Timodin some. Timodin.
How did it happen?
Many assembly na madwena ho mabusa nsem over the years. Your debt e wo nyina no 90% of our debts emanated from managing of refuse in our city.
Okay.
Refuge management.
Refuge management.
And LDD to a whooping sum of 50-something million Ghana cedis.
Cedis.
I'm telling you.
New cedis. Yeah. Over 50 million.
Now you ask yourself, say, why KMA is indebted and other metropolitans are not. A legitimate question, as I keep saying. Now, a Timodin Sama, or money team, no politics. I'm a local government. Day in, day out, a guno. Setepe, then finance minister took that political decision, say he will never pay KMA's refuse bill.
I didn't hear.
For political, that's excuse me, say those time and they could do money who soon they know. Some 8 years ago, now NDC when NDC was in power at the time. And now, as we speak, it's Ghana government that absorbed all metropolitan assemblies refuse bill into the national budget, with the exception of KMA.
In your own decision, it affects only KMA now.
Only KMA, and quote me.
No, what's it reason in the same?
May say a political. Someone say money in the party when it comes to party lines, and she took that decision. And the most surprising aspect I'm saying is that MPP came to power 5 years. We are still in that situation.
More draw the attention of the government to it.
That one, Mr. Mayor have been on his neck. May I say maybe PM just 1.5 years. Until at that time I wasn't the one in charge. Nana Senya to Puman and me buy my Nana can once we grant a much logo, and I was so surprised. What is the difficulty? What is the difficulty bringing KMA to benefit like any other metropolitan?
Me say time a buy no former government and the previous government they capitation buy. And we are by a legion of Prana, we capitation.
Exactly.
In Jordan, I don't know why they are so difficult for them.
Maybe the chief executive and the mayor, they didn't push it so hard. I mean, that is my belief.
Okay.
Because if I were to be the chief executive, any the party, the region that gives the party the most strength. Now power. We are the ones suffering unduly.
Wow.
It's a mind-boggling, and
so how do you manage your waste?
We pay 85% of our IGF goes into managing our waste. We are this is the situation we find ourselves, and people are sitting here unconcerned. We have the regional minister, we have the top-notch MPP people. I don't think if the mayor don't draw the attention to it, I don't know what went on. But thank God, at long last, there has been refuge tax, the Ebola tax, that is across the nation.
Okay.
Governor has signed a contract to Zoom Lion now. He's going to manage every refuse from the net and breadth of this country.
Wow.
So now we are going to be relieved of that. And so Assembly last time, our last meeting recently, we made a resolution that we are closing down the waste management.
Waste management, OTDM.
Otilam facade, we are closing it down.
Okay.
All our refuse and others from the metro should go to Kikap. That is the Zoom Lion.
Zoom Lion. Okay. In general, this huge 50 million judgment that you can't be KMA password.
That was that Omo Abatias say about KMA car. We became a cocoa to be CC KMA car. Yes, I never. The truck Oyama at some point government say was a video a can run. You know, and also no I watch BD. Kwa Naba, Tinano, and by the same year, the next chief executive. Obaya, no, delegation, the chief executive, and some powerful personals. we never caucus.
Okay.
Then the president, finance minister Kushia.
Okay.
On Chile Munjere.
Yeah.
Say, I train Serbia no sense right. The back one where we are. No more because assembly, you know, say back into political domain. Papa.
Yeah.
It's quite wicked and discriminative.
Very bad.
Very bad. And so no, meaning so my native no, politics no are taking the center of everything. It has taken center of everything. Just one from the other side doesn't see anything good about one from there.
Yeah.
And you know, the earlier we take politics from our local government, the better.
Wow. Well, finally on that, in says a cannot na or Kumasi and the greater Kumasi before I better assembly no minaka home. Into a coban say the canon came in one air swa and I said, the assembly is not account.
I represent my was a wizard. Oh no, municipal water now when you're not too great. Oh, go take us one.
A Japanese or more take you.
Yes, assets and liability. Say, yeah, you see, it's halfway. I be due home.
Yeah,
I cannot fun. The trust.
Okay,
I know there is quite acceptable.
Okay,
but I say, okay, walk on that game with the car 60 million T and grand you never okay, it's largely no game in absorb us our debt in
okay, all right. Yeah, we go so any honorable Stephen for reading come or dialogue. So we call Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, any social media networks. Now search for Tabia TV like pages. No share. Na onye bin hwe be twa ho aba ye ba be bo awuram KMA selection a mo nyai compete mayorship na cities a mo bom ho modern na be bom abaso no KMA ka ho Ghana the only assembly a ka ho no na ya hwe enkwada se na montene so a Kumasi ya de omo ya hafa some free Ghana some free Ghana ona ma na ya yero ye pesika free ho saa ne ma na ekoso no KMA huna edena omo ya fa ho any other issues sa eba ye bebisa honorable na odin chemu kakra dia mai
obeda kora kodam koda e mano siden kwa ye taku tabia taku ye belum taku ye funny face ye taku tabia taku ye belum taku ye funny face dema wa em rempem ye taku oba ukunu wa em rempem tabia taku dema wa em rempem ye taku oba ukunu wa em rempem yeah, venom taku, hey, a funny place, hey, a taku, taga taku, yeah, venom taku, hey, a funny taku.
This advert is FDA approved, not recommended for lactating mothers, pregnant women, and children under 15.
Tabia zanike somuche
I was on for a best sign at my wakaba na meka was say Tabia herbal products or the new products abejaso mienu the latest products or the abejaso mienu Tabia zanike eno na ye wonom na wapomuden no asipia o no mo a yare ahodo abobo rough ni nyina bijai afi o hu be ye o de o be kwa ba bra o honam emu dwa o yedma kakra bia no abra kakra bi na o te so o hu hwe nyi yi am bacha wodro Tabia zanike o no mo be boy immune system booster ebema wo nkwam wa na nya ahoden aponti anyaro ahodo na wo so no otimi ade wo ho mema remfi se Tabia Herbal Mixture de udwa so na batampa malaria ne related diseases de tatahwe eno nkwa eno Kumasi Ghana ha wiase nyina agya tuma ye de tuma malaria ase afei ode Tabia takum enso aba mema de bema wabo de brojo hunam anase waye mere wo mpem na ye frɛ Kojo papa Kwasi papa ipacho Koje Tabia takum no bi odi wi a wa be hu difference no wo ani ene de aye enti no side effect kokojibi na wonso huna anase ne man koyima ho ewo empemu na beauty 360 ono sebra na on sesio ewo nine uti anase wo more male and female unisex salon okọ Kumasi Santase be sesio ho ama ho atimi ayefe wenum ena so asna dwuma de ye de ebrewo honorable mayensan enhwe yemfa ye challenge na say Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly monya selection eco compete no emfa entoaso again what is it about this new challenge must ya select him what does it mean for KMA
Osha Ajimako na amode sa share ba na omoye non-governmental organization
okay
na ompa foto a no mope mansinia ane mantoa maya amboase bibi bibiasi mani so na makoka chiro ma aye competition
okay
nti obi abedai and so ade hu na asa wo ha wo no ade a chire mpanifo no na afi wa chire anema apesa wo ye
okay
na nti omo de ni na atoto ani hwe a mo hwe mo sampa we mo se mo kana mu da ho na se asema hu hia
okay
na say what form part of the selection nti sa pepe ana keme yeso ye dia how ye dia na road network congestion wo krum ene car park won sem ne ma fi se etwe assign ene ma da ko na di akoma ko ne abadi no enye wano
okay
nti ye package na diko ina no hwe mu no so far no mo say ye de mu da ho nti no 50 countries among 600 and something countries are cities
okay
compete here no the last 50 no came a part of that one
wow
so eventually almost say 15 first 15 in the one year $1 million
oh okay
benyana grant for
free
1 million can do a lot
okay
we are going forward no almost I want to be achieve with na sare support
okay into honorable sir challenges we no our boss no congestion car park any other issues no assembly no and share me na more dey say in your own way bit maybe a artist na say
be a alternative in far no and over the years ya can't about with road marking for car park as we were kwabuma say am for park cars na there were also say omo stores were doing no omo na park cars enti fence timamuni akopa de ato no na parking space na be problem put problem
okay
disincentive for people to be coming to town because on the car bar with my go around
we never been
park why traffic in ade nti no na me adom ene enya PPP project back se ba ko behind Kumasi prisons there were a 13-story car park
okay
we try mombe la somewhere last year in the home as this year no go say contractor no wa clear site we na wasate year you might say duration here between 3 years 2 to 3 years
okay
and you know we sure say the next 1-2 years time there say it we start there now you be cancel on street parking
okay
contract no na bia be Kumasi bia no and it's a 800 cars capacity car park
okay
800 and there's a lot of space and timina no be there
be move go
e ba sa yes group hen hyper
okay
ama connect dem back on everybody no and there's a one major project and say we are relief for the people of Kumasi
okay
na no pa you other two the idea ho adwuma yi you loan be a bit much and so the name person dey no car park
okay
ti we no na at least ke o car park square 3 we need the CBD if you say sa congestion na no there you Saturday.
Okay. Na a new project more start ya mo say my barricade because of baby our trainer. Enti area why na obe qualify say obe tia park in the car so obi a the car but na say cars na mo park on kwana mbe ya
it's meant for car park from the CBD. Obi a obe di juma wo Crumbia. That's where you should go and park. And you know, almost stores were doing car park hole in I almost super tidy. Yeah, 800 cars is a very large number. And you know, so it means I can see you good old man. You sure say if you want to come, some cars are more piece of pino. So it's
okay. You share the nature of cars. I bet me a park a new project. Heavy duties come. What about almost be parking room na daytime na ma block major road no mu yi nema and some of flooding nema into warehouse near there.
I'm we are developing a higher capacity enforcement of our laws, and you know we are having duty car after 9 o'clock, 9:30 can be until you are in the morning.
AM and PM.
AM. We never are matching. Early morning, 9 to 10.
No,
that is the law.
Okay.
So it's up to KB to enforce it to the latter. Until you question, I'm saying, I'm going to go. That's what I said.
Yeah.
And more 9, and I say, Kaki CBR, who free CBD. But this is the situation as well. Then let us teach me teach me because we find. That's what I said. People can't follow. And you can any person. I'm ready. American money there, more deeper.
Okay.
Yet, open grammar. I was ropa. I chose a deeper mad, you may know when you are home.
Yeah.
I said, your palm, Emrea, Sunya, and you know, enforcement done as I said, the BRB enforcement because you are responsible. You be a dependent for from so. And you know, like I said, they are out of the contest.
Okay.
Private cars are mobile room, and better to near money, car park, no,
okay, all right. It's a young call. A man for whom say I a security threat. And Quadanketwa as young as maybe 5, 6, 8. Now, or more, there's almost a myself. Maybe I will be a almost a stress rate. Assembly no who's and Quadana a day in a monamount to a farm.
Sir, some no idea about a national issue. And it's becoming a security threat. Maybe a Masana who had no or other registering now. Sana
Koso.
I had a Nipepina from the information I'm getting. On quite bass room from home. And don't be you might say a business set up on wire.
Okay.
Now, ECOWAS and regulation movement of
people,
nationality, so easy. As you said, you should have a permit to do whatever it is that you want to do. And you know, assembly are taking it up. Last assembly now. And so question Mr. Mukasa the over meeting one of the subject issues I discuss here.
Okay.
And so Mukasa tackle you need about 4 ministries.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We have the Interior Ministry.
Interior Ministry, yeah.
That's what the local government. Justice and security.
Justice and security, okay.
Security issues. Interior. Whole package.
Children and social protection.
So broad. And we have to make sure that all are on board. Now you will be a rule SOP. Okay, me. What you can do is a bit more you be free. Oh, Pam no one enough. That's what I say. But it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Maybe there should be some kind of sustainability enforcer which will do how you follow up to their parents. Immigration from Kwachoma, you better repatriate your mom, Greece. I take your fingerprints if you are restless, that you can say, these are the years to go comments and I am back on it. Last Monday, it said, I must take out police for traffic. I think I had nationwide concern. And you know, as Ghana DBI boarded and as a kind 6, 7 school going age children. Now we allow them to breed this menace in this country. The next 15-20 years, trust me, criminal, it will jump and the rate of economy. Because I don't want to have anything to say. Their lifestyles and when it comes to issues of Sademana, robbery, it's very high in their end. To allow them to settle down here and peddle this kind of idea, then it's a recipe for disaster, and we'll have to be concerned.
How they manage to cross the borders.
And I'm just saying, Ghana, there be questions now. I say, who will be answered? In Kobijina, I say, Sadi Pano, I say, Oba, Sabi, but you see them coming every day. It me am tell you, getting answers for you wouldn't be there. Many immigration, me go Okrada, and I'm a TB officer not through me. How do I get the answers? Obiadana, that should be the question. Because Obinaya, Nipa could be the West Nipa baby, the whole bus Nipa. So you can say it, and you know, crack of ship no Ghana or for me. Okay. The piano, but it's a phone corruption. Trust me, my ministerial position there. Now one Jessica, now Kofi, now Ko Amijima. Ghanaians will see you as the most stupid person. Yeah. They are the same people who make corruption in Ghana. So on that double standard attitude. That has been our behavior. You glorify corruption. Oh, that is the most ridiculous aspect of the whole thing. Granted, you're charging. I'll be any. Now, when you're miserable mistress, be no baby. You boy, my goodness, now what is up there? Anna, wow. Because now, but ye 10 cities. The 100 million, 100 million, $5 million. Now, on my way, you walk a Jumaya papa. Nipa, Umudia Nimono, Embra. Ekutia di ombe no omwa na ehye na bohanta prafa ko hye de minia sabi bonafo kura ni sasa enye zade no enti de bia omomra no omo sha no maja na kwa da ho maja kwa to amai omani apreso pe bibia no we do the national policy enyo na shamra no omani na the trust atie we na we I said yo wanya Korea no ne China no yeku so Nima, who are official now? You choose what you might say. You do the bad national television school. What I say? Yeah. Now I say Parliament for what another be so much of I say, which you lose Massa. Then you was 12,000. Good Ghana says 120 million. Went to have about 2 years. As some material. But do they reason? I'm not talking about so many other Obidio Mexico 5 million, I 2 years also. Or no parliamentarian, no. $5 million were embezzled. On put them 2 years. 2 years. They say, with it. Obidio knows mask. Yeah, as I can't tell me you say, wow. I quite recall on Party Salon now because one of the stations, I think so. The most it's a concert a Yamamuno, Yasno. People put them to the other nose mask. Would be a work with this culture, dear, with them female who grass about. Now, so we have 5 million for them 2 years. I won't get it one day. Oh, yeah, Benamra. We put them 2 years, but 5 million. Miss me, come them. I mean, I come them 2 years, but it's honorable.
this is saa me ma we they fine until when
oh when I say I do I find serious but me should say latest by Monday the Baba come out with the plan
okay
the workout planner because the perform we are maybe keep more sustainability how they will survive and other things the form of say repatriation prescription whatever they are we should have the outline plan
okay
and yes all those are about and you know I'm sure by Monday
okay
we will be able to come
out. One more thing about KMA man for express concerns na Major Road Central Business District near block kwan na I guys suggest about last week or last 2 weeks me ko fie ma fa ka Dr. Mensah afi me tena ka no for close to 30 minutes dey free Dr. Mensah and tramen shiampo yedu be bi na trese kwan na ye be fa so no block na dey and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday na sa de ne koso obehwe ba bi obehwe na ye say road block by KMA and KMA so one so na ye presiding member aden na mo kwan ma sa de man koso it was a business days affected development
menya KMA emra so obina ede ya juma atasa aban atinkran say mampanyini and the Ghana constitution o mo yemra ne na biye no eyobi and ede ya juma
okay
enti no because KMA amakwan a enye KMA na amakwan say bi nyasa ayi no ebi officer krona ojina ho honest we much more diligent on certain decisions say we pass be a person me block one and never be next wo hwe e ho no road you know it say
okay
alternative routes ho ana say question me no this opaba
okay
because say o block ha na e kwa bi da ha akosi asisi ya dipa bibire benya kwa fa anya dia hard
okay
nemo no e bia o block ya the next diversion no baby you want any the volume of cars eba no na say excuse me to say my word why net due diligence that me mo be go block kwa na that officer should be punished
okay
so what I say now here we are the okay say okay me many ground
yeah
and you know how do you even say do be actual official report to the banner you are going to put it back here then you can begin to reprimand people and other things
okay
but if you are this we are also hanane I cannot call baby if not for say when make us say obuzamia
yeah
that's my because there are several instances if member for permit it can just say no it's not possible
it's not okay
many times
okay
people buy to guys are road there you can block that road there's no other alternative
route
and you know and you know the obana ya mama na nya dia obeti that's what
yeah
no money sanity and the kabuzo mo mutaba na bibreba
okay
or you know put in the request you can say no maybe about to find another place it will be better
but Bayana it also raises the issue of supervision because a department visa and leadership but the assembly no supervision level so to say because someone to me supervise me dey say sani ma we na mo betimi hu na mo take care the say bibi maya say so to food di mia ampo fa some jo me ya
say o ye penalty ha na obia me prompt you say ebia PM adibi koso ha onim say all is well sana ideal no bedwene
yeah
kuma idi bi e ko obi a be complain when you ready go to big can you assume say
everything is well
all is well
yeah
until
say complaints
baba and the supervision there day in day out we are doing it
okay
and many times you go here never go program na say go tutu bi niam nyina kwa tu etuwi or ye promotion did no permit go be higher people training and then the task force focus one and you say no want
yeah
what I say many times you call around it is supervision in no e bia no environmental officers munam krom da ya yempeti go be go court o manye so nyina no maybe public you know I dey kwa bontin no e form
okay
and dem ya no
yeah
and most times so na me say e wajuma o ya o ko ho dawru it doesn't sometimes what they say and always be
normally cry and conform person and manati
o peti I say baba o ira ko ma o ga e wajuma we kwaje fans say
okay
and until our assembly and the say na program na ho na o ma program na ho o di the radio so fans it doesn't make sense you know it's an American
all right
and moreover no negative news trend mu media ko na mbe so what I say on say take kama se mi ina obi epeti eni ma pie sisi school na ya eni ma pie o so ba ye enu kwa obi bisa kwa se te bi haro ni pass me here
okay ona we ko say ye hwe ni mo say various assemblies mo benya mo chief executive officers so far how is the assembly being affected in muni substantive mayor more acting mayor. How is the assembly being affected?
It's affected the assemblies in Ghana in general because we say it will be a more interim administration is on one case what you know by even by law want to pass a contract here.
Okay.
And you know I say what you call and you know everybody is kind of apprehensive mood. I say expectant what is coming and the bine someone na can so be na betu no ma pay contestants no bra no na ebi mo abo ebi wo be bopa obi ko bi mo no pa but your favorite one no be but ma ko kaba ko mo asem se be ya or no be unpopular and president I think how been na nyanjo acha last year by May 17th na ya confirm me even as a first time friend pon over and then ya what is with the say you would choose
junior
I say about 6 months has already gone down and I don't think I say abanike kan kakra now mutime di ba because menya sure say ye be you be ama obi abigina chinchinchia ye mane be ye we have some exceptional one or two media but largely out of the 243 districts made magazine 95 to 99% confirm you know bad body na visa and I'm member about just say the aircraft by say you vet the young one no me visa it's not that maybe me you jide kese pass say me no ka say the papra ban pass what the neighbor confidentially the person knows I can back my neck so him I'm telling you
engineer no mo ye
formality eba mo bia ya say me so ko prebi
okay
but say out of blue dey mo bi dey ya mensa ko fa dey that is that dey never we na ko contest we dey say we na dey somehow the process that I
honorable the way I would be more them the mad rush any and having be say we are missing apply now one district ni pa be 22 no mo free
on person me say e be say be ka be amana support achede mu we say this time the politics na no ni ma sheshe ko fo na say and the papa wa yi me kura de ya mo di ya frame ko ni mo no position da no wa person o prepare be pray dia wa ko pray say ni ya say bi akura and I ko pray some year 20 na committee by the say afi we na visa ya dia and somehow we be able to relieve say I was given the chance.
Okay.
And I mean, just say they want to manage the Sunday mana woman family.
Yeah.
I don't know if say.
Assembly members, no more rep for vetting committee, so.
No, and we should have.
I didn't hear.
Nani pa ye bi a wona abeto.
Say mona mo ba be adwuma.
Da bi o. Na nipa ye yina banama wo wa chese o pena na wo beno wana ase ko yini dia na why court in your judge in your own court.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Because ye yini bia mo na beka se we Debbie ana ani.
But say mo was a more for so oba approve am easy and simple because
then we are putting the horse before the cat. Because nipa no ye yini be bia mo na be do so no. I say One I will call proof. That is not what the guy from the week.
And I say, more come who's a vetting committee and you
say,
so man, say, of Eba, now presidency we now, we and as Omra may now assembly is soon as that. No, multi you might mean the vetting committee, so I may.
Many a honor is it back. Vetting committee, no. On aspects of where they are any panel. Maybe an aspect of the shares and members. Mind you, any part, it's a matter. Yeah, to 2 and my neighbor, mother. And Biana, all committee is almost the technical abilities. The back, and you know why previous never be on various aspects. Maybe a bahana doesn't ever because of Bahana, we grab, but maybe to be able to pay. They didn't until or dear fast run. Yeah, why did to ask this anybody in some it's the aspect of when they are betting. And if there are some messages we have, sometimes you can come from political angle. Okay. So, okay. It will come from political angle. Wow. And you know, it's totally different. Okay. All right. Honorable Yemra Nanyaso. We'll find our ways. Okay. Now, I should say, at least, may you say, if you are grabbing it, as a beautiful easy. Okay. Never idea is minimum massive for our power. A crew, said the car, one piece of car, or car, my beautiful, yes, we won't shape our name. Chief executive now, and a one price of power. Yes, we should not better than him in a carbon. Yet my ever master. Okay. Bibia no obekobeka amaya okoya of shen na wadi ageno ye dwira before da egu ye bubu crofo da ye akwa na sense na ho na ho sawo na ho ha enti ne nchiri maba ye no obi asigu so obi ho akire no pa okay enti in the space of seeking for development few must suffer okay and yet what is it sabi ya mu machi ana egu bi aduma na mu no maybe e pese kuduru ni de we dey ama fu su akwan na akwan yo double road kwa enya double road my ka mu so bi dai pa no e passe be do road pe e jegu odo ka na so na bu da ho a ya kama o mu su ye no ho no rush it is said ye ka obi a wo sere no sa okay ana be di ma council me ka ta na or send the cook na fu na wo man supposed to do me am ko ni pa na fu ko ni okay o se na aswa de ko supposed to do yina na the cook plantation da ko wa na ko me ne fro say abai so be bia stadium na hona e bo wa na e de kete pele bisu e bisu juri ni na e ne bo bo ye shegu a wo bo so e sadet e di no best say o mo so do bia no mo so menya nanka metima ya makwasi ni bia de obi bia na saka so no nyakopo plot so so amone sa bia amochire baba do bi so na nkunu bia ba nti o monti asese edwa yesi ayo mwa ana memi ni dwa ha o mwa ni wia but yesi no ye pia nkrofo ye tubi ebi buru edwa nyina edwa so eventually they will become the greater beneficiaries. So now what is oh le Mr. Wenfa we entoaso igana sana kan ye no in say kejiti e ohui nanka in after construction ibenya spacious car park ama park casa ewura central business district but ewe no entimi ankoba no sa new one assembly no taking note of that much ni new way totally different from kejiti okay because kejiti ano initial like a ground floor in a car and this time Musaya engineering okay. I don't want to talk about that one. We know a huge space for car park and was a huge space for traditional trading. I say the city job with the whole a man to say a body or ground a large space for that. Okay. When the one is executive one, be action, but when they must say in a traditional setup. Said the man just that this time round that place will be tidy and there will be roof over them. So you talk about time a bit very neat than the previous one. And we are experiencing our way, a traditional way of trading. And you know, I hope the next 2 years, by maximum 2 years, we will have a nice place to witness for ourselves.
It was for Honorable Stephen Ofori, where Amakum Assemblyman, and our Sanse presiding member. Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly and Enabum Punimpu our dialogue so Tabia TV our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and all social media networks search for Tabia TV like pages no share now near enyabi and share and now bedding more extensively on various issues. The better than say about the promotion or GSO and near to trace and combo. Fast then be a Tabia Herbal products and our face no beauty 360 or more as no media the brown. Nimo Michelle so say oh event be a obey. A wedding, a engagement, a party, ceremony be a video coverage, you know. In particular, number was a free na nutrition combo. You be mau neat a juma a haunty. Wow, only by Jehon Sampa, a Juman Honti, a between come Eddie amount. Now also when you add your Honti for number no. Now on impany for the train combo, a born that form on the borna de here beyond or my Eddie amount. As that be called the Amakabin Cancer director and I'm mimiding the Cabinet Martin Ado. Yami Aduma Beresemo, a besan so no share, and us.